So it's September 30th and I'm at Shenzhen North Railway Station right now. It's one day before the huge national holiday rush. There's already a lot of people here, but probably fewer people than there will be tomorrow. So we just boarded a high-speed train. It's gonna take 7 hours to get to Kunming and then another 2.5 hours to get to Dali. 10-hour train ride today. It's gonna be a long day. Good morning everyone and welcome to Dali. Last night was an absolute nightmare start to our trip. For the first time in my life, I came to a hotel where there's no cold water. I mean, sometimes it's normal in the mountains for there to be a lack of hot water, but the water here was absolutely boiling. It was impossible to shower, wash your hands, or even use the bathroom. So it was a night to forget. But this morning, we woke up to this view, and I think all spirits are lifted. I am in Xizhou Ancient Town, and right now I'm visiting the traditional residence of the Bai people. The Bai people are the prominent ethnic minority in Dali. In Bai culture, the unmarried women will stand up on the balconies over there, and they get to look down and choose the men that they like. And once they choose their future husband, the husband must work for the wife's family for more than 3 years before they can get married. We are now at Shuanglang Ancient Town, which is on the east side of Erhai.
它原来是一个小渔村，现在因为它靠海的这个优点呢，渐渐地吸引了很多人前来。
Out of the 3 major ancient towns in Dali, this is the one closest to the lake, so you get this breathtaking water view. It's national holiday right now in China, so I actually expected this place to be completely crowded, like to the point where you can't even walk. But there's actually only a few people here today. I'm quite surprised. Now we're staying in the ancient town in this small little alleyway away from the main street. It's a little bit more quiet here. Compared to yesterday in Shuanglang, this definitely feels more like Chinese National Day, but I'm sure there'll be way more people here at night. We're at the entrance of Yangrenjie, which is the foreigner street in Dali Ancient Town. And since China still considers me a foreigner, I guess this is my street. I used to never write postcards, but now I actually think this is quite a good way to reconnect with people around the world. And in this age of digital media, it's nice to have something you can actually hold on to with your hands. The mountains around Dali is home to lots of exotic mushrooms. Here we have 4 different types. I'm not even gonna pretend to know what these are called. Now we're gonna have some wild mushroom hot pot.
这是玉人菌，这是老人头，这是美味牛肝，最 是湖掌镜。从现在开始，您的筷子还有勺子不能放进锅里面，也不能有锅里面下菜，等锅开了会被你计时20分钟才可以使用它。
The broth slowly cooked the chicken and the 4 different types of mushroom is absolutely heavenly. You get this really fresh and soothing mushroom taste. We just checked into our 3rd hotel and now we're staying next to Erhai. A nice hot bowl of rice noodles to warm up our souls again.
So basically, burst. 其实我觉得都怪你 ，Jeff。你不跟我说话的话，我们就不会开到那条路上去。忏悔吧。给大家介绍一下云南的孔雀盛宴。这个是傣味的烤鱼、凉拌猪皮、柠檬鸡、菠萝饭，这个厉害了，这个是傣味出名的一道菜，叫柠檬酸飒，口味是那种酸辣的，入口非常的爽。
This is absolutely insane. Impossible to finish for 3 people. This is like a meal for like 6 people, I think. It's around 6:50 right now, and there's already a lot of people here. Most of them shooting wedding photography. But seriously, look at that view. now our Dali trip is basically over. This is now probably my second favorite city in China. It's really like a paradise here. It kind of reminds me of some seaside or lakeside cities in Europe. If you get the chance, you should definitely come visit Dali, and I'm definitely going to come back again as well.